Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create stunning AI videos in just minutes using OpenArt AI. Let's get started. Open Google and search for OpenArt AI. Click on the official OpenArt AI website. On the home page, click the Sign In or Sign Up button at the top right. I will choose Sign In. You can either sign in with Google or enter your email and password. Here, I'll click on Sign In with Google and complete the login process. Once signed in, look at the left-hand side panel and click on Videos. Now you'll see four options: text, image, element, and audio. I will choose image. Under the model selection, choose Kling 2.1. Now upload the image you want to turn into a video. You can keep auto sound and auto speech enabled or disabled depending on your choice. Under Settings, select your uploaded image. For quality mode, choose Light. Set the video duration to either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. For resolution, you can pick 480p, 720p, or 1080p. I will choose 1080p for the best quality. Once all settings are ready, click on the Create button. Wait for the process to complete, then preview your video. If you're satisfied, click the Download button to save it to your device. And that's it. Your AI-generated video is ready in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching Vision Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.